Okay, let me grab my Siyekole. Siyekole, Siyekole, Siyekole. Good morning, welcome to Learn Haitian Creole. Today we are going to learn how to make Siyekole. Because today is Mother's Day, I have decided to take this time and spend it with my mom and my 3 sons. We are going to make Siyekole. So I thought I would invite you to our home and make Siyekole with us. So let's go. You will need 1 button. I have many, but you just need 1. You will also need a piece of yarn and a pair of scissors. Now my mom is going to show you how to make the Siyekole. First of all, you're going to wedge 1 string in 1 buttonhole. And then you will take the other end of the string and then string it to the button. It has to be opposite, otherwise your Siyekole will not be balanced, therefore will not work. And when you're done, you will tie both ends of the string together and then cut out the excess yarn, and that's it. That's it, Mozzie.
I'll just go with my favorite color.
Now your turn. You have to string it from the back.
Back. And then I'm gonna string.
Now string it.
No.
From the back, baby. From the back.
No.
No.
That's right.
Yes.
Ça parallèle. Mettez-le dans ça qui pas parallèle là.
No.
That's right. You have to do it.
That's silly.
It's not silly.
No. 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 Oh, it's my turn.
5 minutes. Is it hard?
I can't just get it through though.
Ou ka fel.
When I what?
About to be that.
There.
How do I string it, Mom?
Ou ka fel. Essayez faire ça.
I just.
Tu penses c'est facile? You can do it.
I
1
just
second.
have to wedge it in there. Yes.
Give me. Sila lo balada.
I did it.
Good job.
Put a runner on something.
Vacances. No?
I just did it the
Hey.
silly way.
Wow. Pas la fait vite, papa.
Wait.
12. Wait. For Ramazet. I'm just doing it without counting numbers.
That's okay.
It's like a diamond 3D shape
Yeah.
when I spin it.
Gosh.
Like, look how cool that 3D shape is.
Okay. You don't have to pull your head back. Pull, let go, and yeah. Kashi.
Feel it. They break up beaucoup.
Kashi. Ou besoin filer encore. Kashi,
Again.
filer.
Again.
Do it again. No, don't do that.
Did that do any of the job, Mom?
No, because you need 2 fingers to do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, there it is.
Yes. Kashi comprendre.
Yes.
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 Mes afro.
Good job, Kashi. Good job. Good job.
Eh, va cosa Kashi.
Good job, Kashi. Siyekole, papa.
Kashi pa kon comment pour le voir. No Kashi.
Kashi, look at Grandma. She'll teach you. Count to 10.
Le.
1, 2, 1, 2. That is late. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it.
So you have to spin it
Okay.
10 times.
Okay.
Pull in, push it. You steal the color! fun to do it.
And what was fun about it?
Is you can like pull it in and out.
That was fun? Would you do
Yes.
it again?
Yes.
Alright.